welcome back to my channel. It's been so long. Why are you acting shy? Okay. Hey guys, what is up? I know it's been a really long time. I've had an ear infection in both ears, and then my throat was sore, and I just went through like all of this craziness. So I am back with another video. This is my little sister.
Hi.
And her name's Danae, if you didn't know already. We are just gonna do a get ready with me. We're gonna answer some sister tag questions because we thought it would just make the video a little more fun and so you guys get to know us a little better. And yeah, so let's just get on into it. All right. Okay. We have to start doing our makeup.
Yeah, should we just start our makeup? I'm using Maybelline BB cream.
Okay, so I'm actually gonna be using the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser Primer. I love this because it hides all my big pores and blackheads, so that's great. This is a good question. What annoys you most about me, your sister? You don't have to be, like, just say what you feel.
I don't know.
I would say when Danae thinks I like have an attitude, but I don't. Or like,
I was gonna
you were gonna say the same thing. I'm not doing any foundation because during the summer I've just been doing concealer and a powder, so I'm just gonna do that. So I'm just taking the Kylie. What's your funniest memory together? We have a lot of funny memories, so I don't know, it's kind of hard to choose. We always are cracking up at nothing, so
yeah.
I feel like we have a lot of fun together. Describe your sister in just 3 words. I would say Danae is... This is hard.
What am I?
I would say Danae is compassionate.
Oh.
I mean, I don't want to say like shy, but I would just say more like...
I would say I'm shy.
Introverted. And this isn't like one word, but just like curious about life. I feel like you don't know what you want to do yet in college, but like you're just kind of like testing out the waters, like figuring out what you want to do. And I feel like you're just so curious. Like I feel like you could see yourself in a lot of different professions.
Curious little girl.
What am I?
I would say...
What would you say?
I would say like passionate. When you're doing something, if you have like a job or like a class you're taking, like the way you talk about it, you're very passionate. But also like when you're talking about like, if you're talking about like a movie or like something that you like you get so into it. Like when we're talking about Loopy, you're like you're like,
okay, that's a good one.
Very thoughtful.
That's nice.
Because I feel like you take words very seriously
to heart,
and like if someone says something to you, like I don't know, I feel like you just choose your words well because you want it to be meaningful. Like you wouldn't just randomly say something.
Yeah, I wouldn't say something if I didn't mean it. And the last,
like I kind of wish I was more like you in the sense that if you're like when I'm in like a big social situation, sometimes it just like gives me anxiety.
Yeah.
But if you're in a big social situation, you like just thrive. Like you're just like, hey, you like,
hey man.
When we went to camp, you were like the life of the party.
Oh, that's nice.
Everyone would be like, Rose's sister. And I was like, yeah, because no one knew my name.
Then you eventually ended up having a lot of friends.
Then I made them know my name.
Okay, so I'm gonna do brows now. So I did my face. I just have concealer and powder. And now I'm going in with my trusty Total Temptation Maybelline Brow Definer. I've showed you guys this before. So whose room is a mess? I'm gonna have to say Danae takes the cake for that one because she is so messy. But it's okay.
I just get home and just throw.
Like it's just a tornado hits the room. What's your sister's favorite food or drink?
I wouldn't say I have like one favorite dish, but like a cuisine. Like what would you say for me?
Mexican?
No. That would be like my second.
Italian?
Yeah.
Okay. And my favorite?
Italian?
No.
Indian?
No.
Mexican?
Yeah, Mexican's my favorite. And your favorite drink?
Like cocktail. I told you this like
Tequila Sunrise.
No. You don't listen.
What is it, cranberry vodka?
No, a mojito.
Oh, sorry.
What's
my favorite drink?
White wine.
No, what the hell?
A margarita.
Yeah, that is my favorite.
Cool bronzer.
Okay, so I just did my brows. What are you using?
The Tweezerman Clear Brow Gel.
Okay, and I'm using the Ardell from Amazon. So what's your funniest memory together? There's so many, but I actually have a good one in mind. A little story time for you guys. We went on a cruise. It was my senior year of high school. Yeah. And you were...
I was a freshman.
And we went to the Bahamas. It was like our first cruise together. That was my first ever cruise. Was that your first cruise?
Yeah.
Our mom actually was like on crutches at the time, so we were kind of like on our own basically, because she was kind of like crutching around doing her own thing. So like she couldn't really do anything.
She couldn't like walk, so she had to stay like
she couldn't go on the,
and we went on the deck every day, and we would like go to the pool and stuff.
Yeah, and like she wouldn't be able to go on the deck because she would be like, she was scared of like sliding around or like falling off or something. I don't know. Just long story short, we were just trying to like turn up in the room, and like we had Danae's friend with us.
Like we were just really bored, and we tried to go. There was like a teen club on the boat.
Yeah,
and we tried to
like
go to the teen club, and they like wouldn't let me in. I think you got in.
Yeah, but I didn't want to go in alone. I wasn't gonna be like, let me party on my own. So yeah, we were like, okay, we're not gonna do that. So we like went back to the room. We started like drinking the little like what's it called? The nips, the little nips. We started drinking those like in the fridge. And I remember one night we like got really turned, and like we like blew like the bill because we didn't realize that like it cost money.
Also we like drank all the vodka, and then we like filled it with water, and we put it back in the fridge.
Oh yeah, we were like, oh, we're gonna like, we're like, it doesn't look like we like touched anything. And like this guy, his name was like Lupa or like Aralupi or something.
Lupa.
And he was like really friendly towards us like when we first got on the ship, and we're like, oh, we love him, like he's so funny and nice. Like he makes little towel animal creations. Remember he used to do that?
Yeah, but Lupa was the biggest fake of my life. Like Lupa switched up real quick when he found out that we were drinking. Like he went to our mom, and he was like, he just basically like blew up our spot.
He was like, Linda, they've been drinking, they've been doing this, they've been doing that. And we were just like, what the hell, dude? Like we thought you had our back. Like, I don't know, it was just kind of annoying. I smoke weed, so I was kind of like fiending for it. Like I was just like, you know, I didn't realize that it was so easy to bring marijuana like on a cruise ship, or like even alcohol. Like we like met kids on the cruise, and they're like, you didn't bring this? We smelled like the scent in our hallway. Our mom got the cheapest room possible. It was like the bottom of the ship in the corner, like literally the smallest
like, leave it
room.
to Linda to be so cheap.
We were like, ooh, like where is that coming from? It was like coming from across the way. So we decided to write the person a note, and we were just like, hey, really want to smoke? Like I was just wondering if
we were like, we smell your room, like sounds like you're getting lit, like wonder if we could get in on that. We like slid it under his door.
Yeah, I think he responded that later that day or something.
Like, he slid a note back under our
he
door,
slid a note, and he was like, I think he invited us into his room or something.
He was like, okay, meet me at the bar, like let's get a drink. And we were like, we're kids.
Yeah. Like, wait, hold up there. And then I think we thought we saw him, like, remember we thought we saw him in the food court, and we thought he was like this Australian guy or something. I swear we thought that. It was just honestly fun, like a fun experience to be on the cruise ship, and we were basically just doing whatever we wanted, like because our mom was handicapped, so like it wasn't like I'm not saying it in a bad way, but I'm just saying that it was like what are you doing? We've had like so many funny memories together. Picking one just doesn't do us justice, but that was a good memory.
Wet n Wild mascara, I got it from Rite Aid for 99 cents.
I'm using the butter bronzer, you guys already know, in the shade Sunkissed. What is the thing you'd love to do together? I think for me, I'd love to like travel Europe with my sister. We haven't really ever gone on like a trip alone, and like that's our like next goal. Like we really just want to go on like a trip alone, like go somewhere, whether it's like the birthright trip or just like to Europe, or like
we always talked about like when we were little, like going to like Italy or something together and just like exploring.
So hopefully soon. What is your favorite makeup brand, Danae?
I don't know, I feel like I really like Tarte.
Tarte?
And
that's Tarte.
I like Too Faced. The basic ones.
I think my favorite is, I'm gonna go with a drugstore. Like my favorite, the one that I use the most, like throughout all my products, is Maybelline.
Who takes longer to get ready in the morning?
Emma.
Probably Rose.
Yeah, probably me.
But we both take pretty long.
Doing the highlight than I did in bursts.
What was your biggest fight?
Like we don't have a lot of fights. Like we're honestly not the type of sisters that like fight all the time, and like we fought growing up.
Yeah.
Most, but it was
not
mostly
now.
when we were small. It was like about like physical fights. Like she would be like tattletaling on me, or I would just like get pissed at her, and like I would like, my thing was like to pinch her. Like I would always pinch her,
And she would Indian rug burn.
yeah, I would be like
Like she would be like, give me the remote, and then I would be like, no, and then she'd be like, give me the remote.
and today's just like, okay. But
not
no,
really
we
anymore.
like honestly I can't even think of a big fight because we don't get into them. Like we're always there to support one another and help each other. Like we're never fighting, I don't think.
Yeah,
Like,
we don't
we're
really
really good about not fighting. I'm doing my mascara now. Danae's done, so we already know who
I'm
gets
the
ready
question
first.
girl. Oh, I just thought of a funny memory for the other one.
What? So our mom was like, she's just like a crazy health freak, so she would always be like, you girls cannot leave the table until you finish your salad. So I would like always figure out ways to like, you know, just skimp out and leave. Like my go-to way was like when she wasn't looking, I would like put it in a napkin and I would like hide it, and then I'd be like, finish my
She would
salad.
just grab the lettuce out of the bowl and like put it under the
Or
table.
like in my like I don't know, in your and then like when she wasn't looking, I would like be like, I'm done, and run to the trash and be like, throw it out and like hide it under the garbage. Like I was so like weird about
I
it.
would be so sad at the table, like finishing my salad alone.
Because Danae always like,
I always got
she
caught.
you always ate the whole thing. Like I was always the one
Because
that
I
was
would
like,
get caught. I would try the napkin trick and she caught me.
but I was just like so slick. You're not going for it?
I just don't like lipstick on my.
Oh, okay.
What is one thing your sibling can't live without?
I don't know. I think Danae can't live without.
You.
I don't know. I was gonna say like technology. I don't want to say that. What would you say?
I don't know. I was gonna say like hot sauce.
For me, yeah, I can. What would you say though for yourself if I got it wrong?
It's not wrong.
Here, let me do some. What? Which one of you is a daddy's girl? I would say Danae is more of a daddy's girl. Daddy girl. Most mature sibling, most immature sibling. I think we're both mature in our own way. When one of us is being immature, we kind of like set the other straight. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like we just like keep each other in check. So like I feel like we're both mature in our own ways, even though I'm older. She definitely is mature in some ways that I'm not. Who is the diva?
You.
I would say me, yeah. It's like pretty obvious, but drama. Who is the most money conscious sibling? I would have to say that's me again. Danae just is a big spender. Danae just doesn't know how to like save. That's like the problem, but it's okay. What's going on with you? What the hell? Okay, water break. Which sibling is most likely to move far away from home? I feel like Danae. I don't know why.
Really?
I feel like you maybe.
I feel like I'm
would.
gonna live in New York forever.
Really?
I don't know.
I feel like everyone that I know that lives in New York says they're gonna do that, but like they end up not staying in New York.
Can't
See?
picture myself being like Connecticut.
Yeah.
Like I don't want to live in a random place.
But I could see you like living in Europe for a couple years or something, like doing something like really adventurous.
Yeah,
like I don't know. What is one thing your sibling probably doesn't know about you? Nothing. Like what?
Yeah,
That's stupid. Wait, we should also do setting spray. Can I use this?
Yeah. Just don't use a lot.
Yeah, so they want 14-12.
This is makeup setting spray, Art Naturals. Never heard of it,
So
but
that means they scored 9 runs from the 8th inning.
Who started it?
are you closer now or when you were younger? I would for sure say now. Like we've grown so much closer over the years, and like not that we weren't close when we were younger, but just like it's great that you can consider your sister like your best friend and your sister.
When I was younger, I would never be like, oh, like hanging out with my friend. But now we like hang out.
Yeah, we like hang out and like take the time to like, it's not just like being at home, that's it.
We also don't live together, so we have to like make plans.
Yeah, so we kind of have to make some more effort, but
Yeah.
it's okay. Okay, so we are gonna close it off here. There's like so many other things that I want to do with Danae, but I think we're just gonna plan to do some more videos. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Help me out, girl. Subscribe down below if you haven't already, and join the Rose fam, and click that bell so you always know when I'm posting a new video. And yeah, I will catch you guys in my next video. Hope you loved this Get Ready With Me / sister tag. And yeah, we will see you guys next time. So we were just like talking, and we have like really one funny inside joke. So we all want you to just search in your phones, on your computer, Elijah Vampire Diaries.
You have to say Elijah.
It's honestly so stupid, but search Elijah long hair Vampire Diaries, and like that is our inside joke. And if you guys don't get it, like you're missing out.
With the braids.
And the long locks. Yeah.
It's just a really good laugh.
But inside jokes can't be explained, so we're just telling you that's our inside joke.